What's up, going goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. You don't know, today I'm going to be making some authentic Jamaican jerk pork. So I started seasoning my pork and then I decided to record it, but I'll let you know what I will be adding. So I've added some paprika, some jerk seasoning. I added some Cajun seasoning. I also went in with some garlic plus. You can use garlic powder and onion powder if you have that. Some Maggi chicken seasoning. And I also did go in with some garlic powder. So as you can see, goodies, I've also used my jerk seasoning, my Walker's Wood. Most of the time I use my homemade, but I ran out, so this is my go-to. I added some ginger paste and some garlic, and I'm just rubbing that in on both sides. Make sure so you rub it in nicely on both sides. Yes, man. So turn it over, get all of that nice seasoning on both sides. So continue rubbing, and then we're gonna cover this down and we're gonna leave it to marinate. I love to marinate my pork like overnight, so the seasoning, the pimento seeds, and everything that is in that jerk marinade get to soak into the pork. All right, goodies. So now what we're gonna do, we are going to put the pork into this pan right here, my foil tin, and I just greased it with some olive oil. So I add some water to the pan that I season the pork in, and I'm just pouring that at the sides just to get some moisture in the bottom of the pan. And then we're going to put this in the oven at 450 degrees. So we're gonna leave it open for now just to get that nice brown color on top. Okay, goodies, so as you can see, nice and golden. So we're gonna flip it over so the other side can get some nice color on it as well. All right, goodies, so this is the other side. I think I'm gonna put it back in for a little bit because I want it to get a little bit darker. All right, my goodies, so this is the final result. I removed it. I don't like to dry out my pork, and I just made some sauce, and I'm just pouring the sauce all over it. So let me know what you think about this jerk pork recipe, and it's in the oven, pretty easy, pretty simple. If you want to dry your pork more, just leave it in the oven for a few more minutes and you will get that nice crisp on the pork. But as I said, I don't like when my jerk pork is too dry, so this is the consistency that I like. So some people like it well done. It doesn't matter, just leave it in a little bit longer. If you want it nice and juicy, make sure that you don't dry it out too much. So that's what I like. I like the juiciness. Look at that juiciness coming from the pork. And I'm just pouring some jerk sauce all over it just to get it nice and tasty, more tastier than it is already is. If you like this recipe and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Please leave me a comment, like the video, and share the video. Until next time, goodies, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.